Beautiful audience, welcome to my show Charcha with Varsha. So today's show is going to be superb interesting and superb healthy because we have a special guest who is a well-known gym trainer and he is expert in fitness also. So I would like to invite Mr. Bhupendra Singh Yadav. So guys, please put your hands together for Mr. Bhupendra Singh Yadav. So welcome sir.
Welcome.
Okay, sit. Welcome to my show, Charcha with Varsha. So, how are you feeling now?
I am feeling very great because I am interesting when I know about that I am going to your show because
Oh.
I listen your show name many times.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, sir, you looking very handsome.
Thank you.
So, how many time did you spend on your body build-up?
I spent 4 years on my bodybuilder.
Oh, 4 years. Okay, okay. So, how much time did you do you spend in a day on your workout?
I spent 1.5 hour.
1.5 hours. It's not easy. Yeah. So, sir, what do you eat in your cheat meal?
My cheat meal.
Yeah.
I love to eat burger.
Burger. Wow.
Yes.
I like also burger.
Whenever I want to cheat meal, that time I prefer to eat burger.
Oh, nice thing. So, sir, actually, my audience want to some question. So, on behalf of my audience, I want to ask some questions.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So, sir, my first question is, what are you seeing in beginners?
In beginners.
Yeah, in nowadays.
Right now beginners do many type of mistakes because of lack of knowledge.
Okay.
Sometimes they watch YouTube videos and they watch best workout or that time they don't have to do that type of workout because they are beginners. First they have to focus on their routine or they have to, if any trainer tell him anything, then you have to follow that.
Okay.
You don't have to follow that many bodybuilders do in their daily routine.
Yeah. So, what advice do you have when people doing workout during injury? So,
Okay.
what advice do you have?
At the time of injury,
Yeah.
most of the beginners or most of the bodybuilders also do that mistake. They don't focus on their form.
Okay.
They have to focus on their form first because whenever you do not do any exercise in a correct way or correct form, that time you have to face the injury.
Okay. So, sir, what most of the time you heard excuse when people skip workout?
That depend on their mood because sometimes some students told me that there is a pain in my stomach, that's why I am unable to come. Sometimes they suffer from any type of fever.
Oh,
If
okay.
anyone don't want to gym,
So they have lots
many
of excuse.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So if you could have any superpower related gym, so what would it be or why? Yeah.
If I have any superpower related to gym,
Yeah.
that time I love to like weightlifting superpower.
Oh, okay.
Everyone wants that power because when we see any weightlifter or that
Okay.
time we also want to lift that weight, but
Okay.
sometimes we are unable to lift that weight.
So which workout do you like most? Yeah.
I love to train my chest.
Oh,
Because it's my dominant exercise, or whenever I train chest, automatically in my mind that is come that I have to train chest very good way, in
Yeah.
good way.
so okay, sir. What do you have advice for our new generation?
Our new generation.
Yeah.
Right now the condition is that our new generation are focusing on mobile phones.
Yeah, correct.
They don't have time to play.
Yeah.
They are just wasting their time in mobile phones or social media. They are unable to focus on their body.
Yeah, correct.
Now students are become too fatty,
Yeah,
but they have
right.
to focus on their daily routine, or they have to give 1 hour for any exercise. I am
Oh,
not
correct.
told that you have to do any type of gym
Correct.
You have to focus on exercise.
Any physical exercise,
yes,
like
any physical activity,
they can
running,
do.
exercise.
They can do play offline.
Yes,
Yeah.
outdoor games also.
Yeah, outdoor game. Okay. So now this is the time of my favorite part of this show. It's round of rapid fire. So are you excited, sir?
Yes, I am excited.
Okay. So I'm going to some question about rapid fire. So which things do you like them? Would you like them do, like gym or date?
I prefer to do gym.
Gym.
Yes.
Okay. Or gym, workout with buddy or workout with hot girl?
Okay. Workout with buddy.
Okay. So which is the three things we are doing in cinema theater?
Cinema theater.
Yeah.
That question is out of my syllabus, but I told you that
Yeah.
I love to eat any popcorn or drink
Yeah.
or watch movie.
Okay. So guys, hi.